Hello, kamusta? Today we're making my perfected double chocolate chip sourdough bread. It's soft, moist, lightly fermented, and so simple to bring together. This one has the richness of cocoa and the softness of Tangzhong and the gentle lift of your sourdough starter. And now let's begin. For the Tangzhong, I mix the flour and milk. Microwave in 10-second burst, stirring in between until it thickens. This depends on your microwave. So you can also cook this on the stove. Into your stand mixer bowl, we're gonna mix all the ingredients. Let's start with half cup of sourdough starter, the cold Tangzhong, half cup of yogurt, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of stevia or sugar, half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of water, and plus another 1 tablespoon of water if needed. 2 tablespoons of oil. Then mix until everything is combined. You're looking for a batter that's thick but still easy to spread. Then we're gonna let this ferment on the counter for 6 hours. And after fermentation, I add an egg with the leavening and mix just until combined. And half cup of chocolate chips. Then pour the batter into the pan and smooth the top. And for our final step, bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 55 minutes until toothpick shows moist crumbs. Then let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing it, and that's it. A simple bake and a reminder of God's goodness in everyday life. Thanks for watching. I hope you will try making this at home. Always rise and be blessed, and don't forget to subscribe.